Okay, so this is gonna sound insane, but I uploaded a photo to an AI, and it gave that photo a voice.
List of circumstances. A thankful heart can find immense strength.
You just heard that, right? I didn't write a script for the voice. I didn't pick from a list of 200 robotic options. I didn't even tell it what gender, age, or accent to use. I uploaded a picture, and the AI decided what this man sounds like. The tool is called Is Noiz AI, and it's the only mainstream voice tool on the planet that does this. Not ElevenLabs, not Murph, not Speechify, just Noiz. That's just one feature. I also cloned my own voice in 3 seconds. Yes, 3. Made my voice speak Spanish. No esperaba que nadie entendiera lo que estaba construyendo, pero seguía adelante porque algo dentro de mí no me dejaba parar. Which is a problem because I don't speak Spanish. Then made the same script sound like a TikTok ad. You know what is funny? The things I said I'd forget are the things I remember the most! In a bedtime story by changing one emoji. You know what is funny? The things I said I'd forget are the things I remember the most. Here's why this matters. You can now generate full character voices for your animated films, voice every character in your audiobook, narrate your faceless YouTube channel in 4 languages, and build a TikTok ad library without hiring a single voice actor. The whole production pipeline that used to need a casting call now lives inside one tab. One tool, less than $3. Let me show you everything side by side with ElevenLabs. Let's start with the one nobody else does. Inside Noiz, you'll find a voice design tool. You don't type a description. You don't upload audio. You upload a picture. I gave it this photo. A tired guy, late 30s, looks like he runs a podcast about disappointments. Watch.
Do you know what hurts the most? It's being there for everyone and slowly realizing no one is truly there for you.
That's the voice the AI decided this man has. I didn't pick the age. I didn't pick the accent. The tool looked at the picture and made a choice. Then I tried a different photo. Bright, energetic 20s.
Oh my gosh, you won't believe what happened today. I saw the biggest, fluffiest squirrel ever in the park, and it was carrying a giant acorn.
Same tool, 2 photos, 2 completely different humans. Try this in ElevenLabs. You can't. There's no upload photo button, no plan tier where it appears, not on their roadmap. This is a Noiz-only move. For anyone making animated content, audiobooks, kids' channels, game characters, this workflow did not exist last year. And the unsettling part is how confident it sounds. Like the AI already met this person. Okay, that was a feature 1. The next 3 are the ones you'll actually use every day. And this is where the ElevenLabs comparison starts getting awkward. Feature 2, text-to-speech. Paste script, hit generate, get audio. The difference is what happens between paste and generate. First, switch the model to Emotion Pro V2. That's Noiz's newest engine. The default is fine. V2 is the one that sounds like a person. Now the actual trick. Control emotion using emojis inside the text. Same line written twice. One has a
I never thought I'd be in this position. But somehow, everything changed faster than I could understand it.
One has a
Thought I'd be in this position. But somehow everything changed faster than I could understand it.
same words. Different souls. The emoji literally tells the AI how to perform. No sliders, no tone settings buried 3 menus deep. Pro tip from their docs. Noiz performs best on medium-length text, around 80 to 200 characters per generation, which is conveniently the exact length of every TikTok hook, every YouTube intro, every product ad ever written. They built this for short-form creators on purpose. ElevenLabs has stability and clarity sliders you tune per generation. Noiz reads your emojis. One of these is faster. Feature 3. This is the one where the comparison stops being funny and starts being uncomfortable. Voice cloning. Watch the timer in the corner of the screen. 3 seconds. That's the entire training sample. Now watch the clone read a script the original speaker never recorded.
I didn't expect anyone to understand what I was building, but I kept going because something inside me wouldn't let me stop.
That's not a stock voice. That's not a celebrity present. That's a real person's voice, cloned from 3 seconds of audio, now saying whatever you want it to say. Imagine what that does for dubbing, character work, or building a brand voice you can scale. ElevenLabs needs about 10 seconds minimum, and their quality recommendation pushes closer to a full minute of clean studio audio for the good clone. Noise needs 3 seconds off your phone in a coffee shop. That's a different category. And per third-party reviews, Noise runs roughly 80% cheaper than ElevenLabs for comparable output. One more feature. This one is the reason every faceless YouTube channel I know is quietly switching tools right now. Multilingual. Your cloned voice, your voice. I didn't expect anyone to understand what I was building, but I kept going anyway because something inside me wouldn't stop. Can speak languages you don't. That's me, in Spanish. No esperaba que nadie entendiera lo que estaba construyendo, pero seguía adelante porque algo dentro de mí no me dejaba parar. I do not speak Spanish. This is where Noise quietly takes over 2 niches. Short-form video sales, TikTok ads, Reels hooks, product voiceovers. Remember that 80 to 200 character sweet spot? That is exactly an ad script. Knock out 20 product variants in an afternoon in 4 languages in the same voice. Try that with a human voice actor and a calendar. Actually don't, you'll cry. Audio storybooks, kids' stories, sleep stories, the AdSense niche where channels upload 8-hour bedtime narrations and somehow print money. Build a full cast using the image-to-voice trick. Save them to your voice library, reuse forever. 0 re-recording. Let me actually prove that one. Here's a real sleep story line. I picked an emotional one on purpose. Soft, slow, the kind robotic voices completely butcher. Dropped it into V2, left 1 emoji in for the mood. Listen.
The fire had burned down to embers outside. Snow kept falling, soft and slow. And the whole house went quiet. Close your eyes now. The morning can wait.
That's 1 generation. No editing, no second take. Now picture that chained for 8 hours straight, in one voice that never gets tired. That's the entire sleep story niche, handled. Every voice you ever create lives here. Unlimited storage, no retraining, no starting from scratch. Real talk before the pitch. AI voice is not going to replace a real voice actor for an emotional film performance. That's a craft. What this is for: narration, voiceovers, dubbing, character work, product ads, audiobooks, the 90% of voice work that doesn't need an Oscar. That's where Noise is unbeatable. Quick one for the developers watching. Noise ships an open API on every plan. ElevenLabs locks the good API stuff behind enterprise pricing. That single detail is the entire conversation. Normal Noise pricing is already around 80% cheaper than ElevenLabs. Right now, they're running a first-month promo at $2.99, everything included. TTS, voice cloning, voice design, the image trick, multilingual, voice library, API. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.